In this video, I will show you the best way to keep Auto Start Stop disabled on a 2025 Ford Explorer. Insert a small screwdriver at the edge of the wireless accessory charger near the center. Press the screwdriver down gently until it stops. Use a small pry tool to gently lift up while simultaneously pulling back gently on the screwdriver. The goal is to depress the latch at the edge while lifting to remove the charger. Once the charger is removed, connect the device in line as shown. Be sure to tuck the device into the cavity on the passenger side to avoid obstructing the airflow to the charger. Reinstall the wireless accessory charger as shown. It's that easy to keep Auto Start Stop disabled on your Ford Explorer.